This is my Shapeoko Pro CNC. I think I had it for about 4 months, and it's working good. I bought it used from somebody. Haven't had any problems with it yet. Only thing that scared me a little bit, I had to change the brushes. I mean, in the router. One day it was just the router just stopped working, and I was like, oh my god. But for the most part, it's been good. Cutting out a sign today, so plaque the sign. Um, like I said, I'm happy with it, pleased with it. Um, I got a dust collection with it. Y'all gotta excuse me, my allergies, but I got a mess in here. But got a dust collection with it, central machinery, and it does pretty good. Hooked up to the Harbor Freight bucket. Linked up through there. Yeah, I just said I'll do my first real video. I do a lot of shorts. I haven't really done any videos. Said I'm gonna start posting more content. Let people see how it works. I do a lot of other things too. I probably do videos on. It's gonna be a horrible first video, but it's okay. Got a laser too. I got a laser. Got an X2 P2S where I produce some videos on there. It's a little bit late for that because it's been out for a little bit, but I enjoy it. But far as for this, I've just been kind of just making flags, plaques, signs. I don't get the most business right now. Like, I don't get a lot of business. I kind of just make stuff for festivals and craft events and things like that. I'm a little bit late. I haven't got started yet, so I'm just kind of just building up my inventory. And that's it. I just want to get on here and do a little video. Y'all have a good day.